Welcome to Elliot's Tech Connect. How to run a cleaning card in a CD800. Run a cleaning card on a CD800. When your CD800 is on, you may notice a flashing orange card light on the display screen. This means the printer requires cleaning. Open the top cover to remove the ribbon cartridge. Then press the cover down until it clicks. Press the blank user button outlined in green. Once the display screen says Suspended Menu Available, press the left arrow Enter button. Press Enter again after it says Maintenance Cleaning Card and after Cleaning Card Start. Open the hopper door, remove any cards, and press the Enter button again. Once the cleaning card light begins flashing, open the cleaning card envelope. Be sure the card is bowed downward slightly instead of angled up to avoid the cleaning card from jamming between the rollers as it makes its way through the printer. Place the card in the hopper and press the blank user button. The card will advance into the machine and run through the cleaning process, which will require about 30 seconds to complete. Once it's finished cleaning the printer, the card will reject into the front card hopper and the cleaning card light will stop flashing. Remove your cleaning card from the reject tray. You'll see the yellow light has stopped flashing, completing the cleaning process. Place your cardstock back into the hopper and close the door. Put the ribbon cartridge back into the unit and shut the lid. For technical assistance, contact Elliot using our toll-free number or visit us online to submit a service ticket.